Hi, so as you know, Amazon is blocking a lot of apps on Amazon Fire Sticks in 2026. And if you open this video, it's highly probable that one of your favorite apps was blocked too. So today I'll show you one of the best live TV and live sports apps that still do work in 2026. The whole setup of this app is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on the device and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on downloader, and here's that app, which you need to get to your device. But after you've got downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still need to set it up. To do so, we'll need to go to settings, scroll down right here, and open the settings on your device. Then, next step is we need to go to the My Fire TV. So let's open that button together, and then we need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging. After that, head to the installation of unknown apps. And from here, just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just get back to a list of apps on your device, we open it, and then here you will be able to locate Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in here is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on the Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just get back to Downloader application. Here it is. Let's open it together. So you open Downloader on your device, and here at the top, there is a search bar, which we'll need to enter. And here, we need to enter a code to download the app to your device. So the code is going to be 569, then 9 again, 355. So again, it's 5699355. That is the code you'll need to enter. So make sure to enter it without making any mistakes, because otherwise, obviously, the code will not work. After that, you click next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now, in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. And there you go, it has started successfully. That will take a couple of seconds until the app gets downloaded. Then click install and just wait for the installation process to fully finish on your device. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to firstly click on done right here, because that way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on the Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Then we'll go again back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, go to the very back, and the new app usually appears somewhere here. However, in this case, and sometimes it happens, that the app does not appear in the usual list of the apps. If that happens, we need to actually go to settings to find this application. So we go to settings, then again, let me move my camera below. So you would see the applications folder in here. So go to applications, you open them. After that, click on manage installed apps. Again, the list of all applications will open, and this list actually has all the apps that are installed on your device. And now we are looking for the app. So here it is. For some reason, sometimes Amazon hides some of the apps from your home screen, and then they are only visible through the settings. So here's that application which we did download. So in order to run this application, just click on it and click on launch application. So that's what we're doing. Now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And that's an amazing app for all kinds of live TV as well as live sports. And there's content from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, India, and so on. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe my channel for more content like that. And as always, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.